A very good day to all my dear friends. Welcome back. Now, in our kitchens, we have many spices, herbs, or ingredients which have medicinal properties, and our elders always use them in home remedies. Turmeric is one such ingredient which has healing properties. Remember, when we fall sick, our mothers always make turmeric infused milk for us. As kids, whenever we had a fall, mothers would just apply a paste of turmeric over the bruises. So, using this magical ingredient, today we are going to make a healthy detox drink which is also enjoyable because it doesn't contain sugar. You can sweeten it with honey if you like. We are making turmeric lemonade. Interesting recipe. I'm sure you'll love it. So, let's get started and make this healthy drink. We'll require organic turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. You can also use fresh turmeric if you find some. Use about 1-inch piece, crush it and add to the water. Lemongrass, 1 long leaf cut into small pieces. 1-inch piece of ginger, 1 star anise and 1-inch piece of cinnamon. Some filtered water, about 750 ml, club soda as needed, honey 3 teaspoons or as needed per serving, and some lemon juice. You can check the ingredients also in the description box. Let's start making this magical immunity boosting drink. In a pot, pour 750 ml of water. I'm using this cute glass cooking pot which I recently purchased from Amazon. We let it bring to a boil. Cover it so that it boils quickly. Once it comes to a boiling point, we'll add the cinnamon and star anise and also the ginger and lemongrass. Instead of lemongrass, you could also use mint. Cover, and now we'll wait for it to come to a boil. Now you can add the turmeric powder. This is organic turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. You could also use fresh turmeric if you get it. About 1-inch piece, you can grate or crush it and simply add it to the boiling water. Look at the lovely color. Now we will boil this and reduce it to 500 ml. All the properties and flavors from the spices and lemongrass are infused into this drink. It takes about 15 minutes. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory and has healing properties, so this drink can contribute to overall health. Now it's done. Switch off the gas. Let it sit for a couple of hours until it is cool. Once it is cooled enough, you can strain it. Here we go. This is done. And now you can discard these spices. They have done their job. Add a little bit of lemon juice. It will give lovely flavor too. And little bit of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon to balance the flavors. Give them a nice mix and you can pour this mixture into a jar. Healing drink, healing concoction can be stored for few days in the refrigerator. This is a 500 ml jar and you can make about 8 to 10 drinks depending on the size of the glass. Now each time you make a drink, you have to give it a mix because turmeric settles down at the bottom. Pour about 4 to 5 tablespoons in a large glass or as desired. Add 3 teaspoons of honey. If you don't mind having sugar, you could add sugar to the mixture while it is boiling. But honey makes it healthier version. Give it a nice mix so that everything is blended together. Once this is done, add chilled soda. If you wish, you could even add Sprite if you don't mind it a bit sweeter. But I am keeping it healthy with just soda water. Top it up. It's nice and fizzy. Gently mix it. The yellow color of the turmeric makes it look so inviting, isn't it? And with added lemon and honey, it tastes great. Now garnish with some lemon wedges. Beautiful. The turmeric lemonade is ready. So friends, do make and enjoy this magical immunity boosting drink. And do share your feedback. Thank you for watching and check out these videos from the archives in case you have missed them. Have a nice day. Bye bye.